Corticosteroid injection before knee replacement surgery. Is it safe? Intra-articular steroid injections are an effective short-term treatment for knee osteoarthritis, reducing pain and inflammation for several weeks or months. However, if a patient with end-stage knee osteoarthritis is considering total knee replacement, the timing of steroid injections becomes important. The American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons guideline notes that intra-articular injections prior to joint replacement may have a time-dependent association with paraprosthetic joint infection risk. Although the evidence is considered limited, many surgeons prefer to wait at least 3 months between a steroid injection and knee replacement surgery. And infection after joint replacement is a serious complication. It may require additional surgery and prolonged treatment. If you are considering knee replacement, make sure to discuss the timing of steroid injections with your doctor.